Welcome back, it's Timo with the Timo Show, and today I'm going to bring you guys along on a vending machine business collection day. We're going to hit all three machines today. I'm pretty excited because the last few times we went out, we were unable to hit all three. So make sure you guys smash the thumbs up button for me, give me a like, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and enjoy the ride.
Let's count it up and see how we did. Alright, so it was $43 plus there was $5 in quarters in there, so $48 in sodas, and we put about $40 worth of sodas in it. It's been $45 at Smart and Final, but I just pulled, what I say, 48. So we're $3 up, guys. And basically, we still have two 12 packs of root beer for the next location. And look what I got, guys, variety packs, ton of them. I got some popcorn, so hopefully some people are into the popcorn. But all right, let's head out to the next location where my dollar bill validator doesn't work and I can't get it fixed, and I don't have the time to call you guys. I know Matt, you said you'd help me. I know I had another guy offer to help me on there, and it's things are going crazy right now. I'm super busy, so I haven't had a chance to go like spend time out at that location. They complain all the time, but they're super cool dudes. I don't think they're really that pissed off, but I haven't been there. It's been 2 weeks since I've checked that location, so I have to go today. So we might not make it to the combo location spot, but we might. So hit the subscribe button, stick around, and don't go anywhere. We're at our next location. We're all loaded up with everything that we need. We're gonna go in there and see what's up.
So I opened the door super slow because I forgot to put the change box back where it belonged last time I was here, and there was quarters everywhere, on the ground, on the outside. So I'll bet you some of it even spilled out, people got their money back, but whatever. What are you gonna do, guys? What are you gonna do? So this machine is always random. I always think that I bring exactly what I need, but every time I'm surprised. And in this case, it was the banks, because last time I came, the banks didn't seem to have moved one bit, and it always changes. This was a couple of weeks ago when I filmed this, and it was pretty hot. It's gonna cool down, so we'll see what happens. Also, since I've recently sold those two vending machines that were sitting in my driveway, I now have room to bring home the claw machine and start working on that. And somewhere in this video, there's gonna be a code word, so guys, keep your eyes peeled.
We gotta get bangs out of bangs, so I'm gonna take the tags off, that way nobody gets their money taken. All right, guys, so we actually made it to our third location. We actually hit all three locations in one day, which hasn't happened in a while. So we're gonna run up in there. I actually got some new products to put in. I have a different type of variety packs, which actually came with popcorn, and it has pretzels. So I'm hoping it'll do well. Crazy story about these actually is I bought two, and then we were out and about, and inside of the shopping cart, like return cage, there was one sitting in the bottom of a cart, and I said if it's there when we get back from going inside the store, I'm grabbing it, and it was there, so I grabbed it. So anyways, that was a come up, you know. I don't know, my wife's like, you should keep it, I don't think that's right, but I'm like, you know, I feel like it's like good karma coming back to me. I know it's somebody else's bad karma, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. All right, let's go up in here, let's clean our machines, and add the new product. Oh, we got beef jerky too, so all right, let's do this.
right, episode 379 coming to a close. I don't know how many videos I have. Anyways, thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video. For this day on this collection from the 3 locations, we made $148.50, which isn't bad if you don't take into account that we spent about $50, a little bit more than $50 on inventory. So it's still all right. It's not bad, you know. Vending machines are cool because it's kind of like an investment that's sitting somewhere making you a little bit of tiny money, and then eventually you could sell it off and make all of your money back, not to mention what you made while they were sitting there. So vending's cool. I dig it. If you guys want to chill some more, click one of these videos, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.